You know you need unique New York. You know you need unique. Beautiful crypto morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. My name is Miroslav and I will be your guide in these confusing ICO waters, and today we will talk about Celer ICO. Let me quickly remind you that the giveaway will be over in 6 days, therefore do not hesitate and share your subscription link with your friends, co-workers or grandma. We will be happy to have them on board. Celer is creating off-chain scaling solution which will bring possibility to scale out to billions of transactions per second. First thing we need to understand is that Celer is not high throughput blockchain. It is network consisting of layer architecture that breaks down off-chain platform into hierarchical modules. Celer network is off-chain technology stack which can be built on different blockchains. It consists of the following: C-channel, C-route and COS.
Blah 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 blah.
C-channel is the lowest layer of Celer network and has several interesting features: generic off-chain state transition, flexible and efficient value transfer, and pure off-chain contract. C-route delivers provably optimal value transfer routing, allowing for higher throughput compared to other solutions. COS is development framework and runtime for off-chain enabled applications, and on top of these layers you have application ecosystem where you can have your apps developed. So in other words, Celer will help scale existing blockchains to billions of transactions, and on top of the stack, Celer will allow to develop dApps, which then can leverage the high throughput, hence provide better experience for everyone. Roadmap. Celer released MVP on Ethereum a month ago, which is great. You can check the demo on their Medium blog. Roadmap is detailed, describing progress of each layer in the stack every quarter with the following highlights: C-channel contract release in Q3, COS SDK and C-channel multi-blockchain support in Q4, and C-route deployment in Q2 2019. Roadmap spans all the way up to the second half of 2019, where C-channel should support cross-chain transactions. What is a bit surprising is the state of GitHub. Last commit was done in October 2017. Team and advisors. Website lists 4 co-founders. All of them have PhDs from reputable universities like Princeton, Berkeley and MIT, which is very impressive, but don't be fooled, this team is far from strictly academic. Mo is founding employee, engineering team lead and product manager in Veriflow. Yunda has many years of experience in Google under his belt as a senior engineer for platform networking and Android. Dr. Lee is working as software engineer in Barefoot Network for over 2 years, and the last co-founder just finished his PhD at MIT where he worked as a research assistant. Celer has 3 advisors. Christos and Dr. Zhang are professors at Stanford. Alan is research engineer in Berkeley. All in all, advisors are definitely experts in their field, but primarily academically oriented. Competition. This might be the pain point. We have seen a handful of off-chain solutions for scaling both for Ethereum and Neo. Even though projects like these are undoubtedly very important for crypto environment, from the investment perspective they are definitely not that hot. Looking at Radar Network, which sits at around 77% of ICO price, and Trinity sitting at around 1.8x in ETH. We also have Liquidity, which is currently in ICO phase and will be for the next 28 days. Liquidity has raised 28% of a hard cap so far. We believe there is enough room for one strong player, but whether Celer will be the chosen one,
he is the one,
is hard to say at this point. Token and token utility. Token economic model called C-economy is ambitious and tries to battle problems of existing economic models for off-chain solutions such as low liquidity and availability. Celer creators believe the token economic model is good only if it provides additional value to the users and enable new game theoretical dynamics. There are 3 pillars of the model: proof of liquidity commitment, liquidity backing auction, and state guardian network. We could talk about token model for hours. With that said, we haven't seen such thorough economic model for a long time, if ever.
Wow, it looks great.
Not much can be said about token metrics since it hasn't been made public yet, but since we are reviewing project in such early stage, it is understandable. Hype. Celer has around 15,000 organic members on Telegram and Alex rank of around 900,000. Since the project is in early stage and the team is currently focusing mostly on product development and not on media presence, we can expect growth in Hype in the upcoming weeks. What are our concerns? Most of these concerns are associated with the early stage of the project more than anything. For example, roadmap, hard cap or token metrics were not released yet. The team is good, as we already said, but the website currently lists only 4 core members with technical and academic background. More entrepreneur, business and marketing experience in the team would help a lot in our opinion. And lastly, for whatever reason, Celer's competition is not doing so well ROI-wise. Verdict: this is not financial advice, do your own research. We like the idea, team, dedication to the project, and we acknowledge the potential of this ICO. However, at the same time, the competition is not performing very well. So are we going to invest?
You're my sun, my moon, my guiding star.
At this point in time, it's too soon to make a final decision as the hard cap and token metrics are not publicly available, but we will definitely keep an eye on Celer ICO. Let us know if you plan to invest in the poll in the upper right corner of the video. If you found the video informative or entertaining, please give the video a like, share and subscribe. Take care and see you in the next one.